everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Kanak Info System. I hope you enjoy this informational vlog we have prepared for you. Now let's get started. I'm assuming you all have the basic understanding of Python. Today, we'll dive deep into Python list data structures. As we are diving deep, we will be covering it in parts of 2 to 3 videos. So this would be a basic overview of list. Now, the first question that comes into the mind is, what is a list in Python? Imagine list as a box where you can keep various items. In Python, a list is like that box, but it's more powerful because you can easily add, remove or organize items inside it. You don't have to physically move it, so basically it's easy. And this box can also hold numbers, words or even other boxes. Getting into a more defined definition, you can say list as a fundamental built-in data type in Python. This allows you to efficiently organize or manipulate heterogeneous data. And knowing how to use lists is essential for any Python developer, as it would make your life easy as Python developer. It will enable you to write more effective codes. So moving on, let's see how to create lists in Python. There are 2 ways to creating lists in Python. First one is string literals, and the second one is using the list constructor. So let's see how to create a list using list literals. Basically, here you use a pair of square brackets, and this would contain comma separated items. As we are creating list of digits, in our example, we have put 0 to 9 digits in the list, or you can say square brackets with comma separated values, right? So upon output, you can see we are creating list of digits. Another example can be a list of fruits. Here we are creating a list of fruits. And did you notice here we are creating list of integer values, as you see, and here list of strings. So as I said, you can create boxes of words or even numbers. Here we are creating list of cities. And the next example would be interesting. Here we are creating list of lists or matrix. As I said, boxes can contain another boxes as well. So matrix would contain a list of list. Upon output, you see we have created a matrix. Isn't it interesting, right? Here we are creating list of dictionaries. Dictionary is another data structure in Python. Here we are creating product inventory. This is the first product. We have created phone, and the second product is laptop, and the third one is tablet. And here is the output. So you can create inventories with list. You can also create list of function references. Here upon output, the print, we have the first element as print, and the Python is giving us the reference of that function. So you see the Python helps us in knowing what function it is. You can create an empty list by just defining a pair of square brackets. An empty list is created. As I said, the second method is using a list constructor. So, a list constructor can be used to create a list from other iteratable objects, like a tuple. So we are creating here a tuple, a list from tuples, you see. And we can also create a list from sets, and a dictionary as well. So here you see there we are getting a list of tuples as a dictionary. Items are basically tuples. We can also create a list of characters and we can also create an empty list using the list constructor. You see, we have an empty list that is defined by square brackets. So this part will be ending here. So, bye everyone for now.